I'm Dan Rhea. I'm the Senior Project Manager with Toll Brothers here at Sterling Grove. The reactions to Sterling Grove has been fantastic. We really embrace the indoor-outdoor living here. We bring indoor-outdoor living into every model we create, regardless of the size. And with that, the key component is the multi-side. Western Window Systems is really a turnkey solution for us. The quality and the service we get from them is absolutely outstanding. The company stands behind their product. The service is great, the installation is easy, and people love the ability to open them up and just enjoy this wonderful Arizona environment. For the 600 series, it's definitely the low threshold option that you can get. It is such a great way to introduce indoor-outdoor living with a seamless transition. That's my favorite part of the 600 series. For the 3700 series, it's twofold. First of all, it's very competitively priced and it offers high energy efficiency. So all of our homes here at Sterling Grove are Energy Star rated. We integrated the Western Window Systems into those plans and have come out with some amazing HERS ratings. You know, I think the quality and the service of the product is second to none. We'll have Western Window Systems representatives show up and just come in and just make sure that the windows and the doors are working correctly. So Western Window Systems was instrumental in really helping us achieve that indoor-outdoor living.